Located near Arizona State University, MOXY Phoenix Tempe offers its own version of free-spirited living at an affordable price. Across from Arizona State University, ASU, and enclosed by the Mill Avenue district, MOXY is the perfect home base during your Tempe travels. The wow factor kicks in long before you enter your room. We've used a mix of industrial design and traditional fittings to curate a dazzling, yet casual, atmosphere. Get your complimentary MOXY drink at the Now counter, then mingle in the welcome zone over nostalgic board games. Grab your complimentary MOXY cocktail upon check-in and wind down in the welcome zone before heading to your room. Eye candy from local and international artists fill up our public spaces. Post on Instagram with hashtag @TheMOXY to make it on the big screen. The Terrace is an escape from the realities of Arizona's climate and a place for lovers, friends and family to convene. Don't miss a beat with a spacious work desk, comfortable seating, and under-bed lighting. Standard rooms don't have a balcony but still offer a brilliant view of East Tempe. They do feature full-length mirrors, peg walls and 49-inch TVs with online streaming. Enjoy USB plugins and bedtime stories an arm's reach away from your plush queen bed. Get the Tempe treatment in MOXY's ground floor, poolside guest rooms. Your friends won't feel confined with plenty of space to get ready and peg walls for storage. For the sake of vitamin D, extra space in our ADA rooms extends to the balcony. Your friends can wait, you've got some lounging to do. An in-room vinyl player, streamable TV and acoustic guitar will turn your downtime into uptime. Pop in a vinyl from Zia Records, charge your electronics with the abundant USB plugins and lounge on the sofa bed before you hit the town. Our advice is to avoid the bin bag chair after your signature MOXY drink at check-in. Unless you're ready for a nice, long nap. MOXY is not about sacrifices. We give you plenty of comfy lounging options to strum on your guitar, and our sizable workspaces are Zen approved for ultimate productivity. Traveling solo? Your MOXY King room awaits. Study upon your poolside manner. Whip out some sun salutations on the patio or spread out on your ritzy sofa while enjoying the pool view. Prepare your Instagram, you and your friends aren't ready for this dashing view of Central Tempe from your King studio. A relaxing dip in the pool is a stone's throw away in the poolside King and double Queen guest rooms. Peek into the room while you're getting ready. Dive into the deep end with plenty of counter space and designer mute bath amenities. Bathrooms that are high in design and feature bath amenities by Gilchrist and Soames. Grab bars galore. Our modern 15-person table in the lobby is equipped with USB and power plugins. Our garage doors open up to the terrace to provide some fresh air and healthy breaks of productivity. Print boarding passes, find directions or pretend to be busy in this secluded corner of the lobby. exploit our furiously fast Wi-Fi to catch up on work. Work alone or have a team collaboration. We're all about building communities. Each floor features an ironing room with a lounge and laundry service. Check into and out of your room, order signature drinks and 24/7 snacks on the go, or just make small talk with the MOXY crew. The tabs never close at MOXY. Our 24-hour MOXY Counter serves handmade cocktails, fresh juices, gourmet espresso and tantalizing bites. How to make 55,000 gallons of water fun: light it pink, add music, loud please, chaise lounges, day beds and cabanas. Our well-lit, heated pool is conveniently accessible from ground floor rooms or the lobby. We keep music bumping until midnight to keep the night owls at bay. Bathe in the Tempe sun across from the murmur of the MOXY patio. We've mixed the traditional stairmasters and treadmills with a stationary bike for all your aerobic needs. Free weights, a Smith machine and resistance trainers allow our wanderlust guests to upkeep their fitness regimes. The lounge is a visual playground for art, fun and games. The lounge is a zone for everything on the work-play spectrum. Tabletop games, both literal and metaphorical, will help you break the ice with other wanderlusts. And, take your best selfie with #@themoxy and #Tempe to be featured on the guest book. The lounge features foosball and arcade games, including Pac-Man. Enough said. Ride down Rural Road and check out Mill Avenue on our MOXY house bikes. We've reincarnated Queen, Zeppelin, the Stones and the Who into meeting rooms so your attendees won't forget. Your meeting attendees won't feel under pressure in this flexible, carpeted event space. Exhibitions, breakouts, or hush-hush executive meetings, we do it all. Drop a line to our sales department for more deets and availability. Rejuvenate your meeting attendees with coffee service and premium Molly water.